how to make a bass bucket with fire. Okay, so that's the final effect. And we just just delete. Okay, delete. And add a cube, and okay, and change the view to front, and S X and S Z. Okay, like this one. Then change it to edit mode, and Ctrl R to and loop cut. So we delete the surface. And change it to this one, vertices, and use scale and adjust the change this one, extrude model to select all. Okay, the shape is ready, and change it to position and add a modifier as subdivision. We can see the shape is okay, and we need to add material, and this one, UV editor, and new material, new, which name is bucket, bucke bucket, and best color, choose image texture, and open wood. Okay, and change view to front, and select all. I use this one, extrude model, to select all and project from view. Then okay, change. So the layout, we can see, and we render the image. The camera view is wrong, so we need to adjust it. Camera view, and to move a room. Okay, and then rotate it. Okay, save it. So we just run again. The bass bucket with fire is ready. So next time we will add some water in the bucket. Thank you for watching.